Good evening. Let's start the analysis for tomorrow, which is 22nd of July, being Friday and also the close of the week. So I'll first look into the weekly candle. Now, normally what happens is the size of this candle more or less remains the same because it's forming a acute N pattern. Let's look into the numbers first. So this candle opened 15,710, high of 16,275, low of 15,661, 662, and close of 16,220. So let's plot these numbers first into an Excel sheet. 16,275, 15,662, second candle 16,248, 15,858 close, and the third candle started at 16,142. The first candle open was 15,710, close 16,220. The second candle 16,049, close 16,136. Third candle has opened at 16,150. 16,151. Okay. So if you see, I have pre-populated the formulas. So the first candle, the candle size was 613 points in Nifty. And the second candle, so this is the first candle, this one, I'll make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it properly here. This candle, the first candle, the size was 613 points. The second candle, this one, was a retracement of 390 points. Now this is 64% retracement. And normally what happens is that the same, whatever has retraced, it will take it back. So I'm considering 64% as the next move that's going to happen. So which gives me around 638 points. So if it has the low of 16,142, I can expect the high to be 16,142 plus this, which is 16,780. So on this mathematical basis, the Friday high, I can expect to be 16,780. Now, the close of the first candle, the open and the close of the open and the close. I'm not talking about the wicks, without the wicks. This was 510 points gap. The candle size without the wick 510 points. Second candle 87. This is not important. So I can expect a similar candle like this. So if it's 16,151, then the close can be 16,151 plus 510, 16,660. So 16,660 is what I'm expecting it to close Friday close. So two levels, 16,780 and 16,660. Now let's see 16,780 is what level. So let me just take a line chart, take a horizontal line and plot 16,780. Now this, wow, if you see, I did it mathematically here, okay? And it matches more or less with the high of this candle. Now for this candle to reach the high of the previous resistance candle, it is important for it to close above the immediate resistance. Now this candle is the immediate resistance. And what is the high? 16,610. So this is the high is 16,610 of this candle. And where has this candle now been? The high of this candle is 16,626, which means the current candle has broken the high of the previous resistance candle. So it will now look for the next resistance of the previous candle, which is at 16,793 or 16,790. Let's go further. Let's go into the daily. The daily, what I'll do is I'll increase it a bit. On the daily chart, the current today's candle has completely engulfed or completely broken the high of the previous day candle. So the bullish momentum should continue in this. Having said that, let's go into the 5-minute candle and understand where we can do. Reset the chart. Now I'll make this a little bit bigger. So on a 5-minute candle, there was a box. Let me draw the box for you. Oops, sorry. Let me draw the box here. So the upper point of this box was 16,590. Now, friends, if there is a box in which the candle, if the market is moving, so the market has moved from 20th July till today and this box, and only at 3 or 5, this candle broke the box. Now, when the box breaks, on which it is moving for 2-3 days, then the next upside of the the next upside would be as good or as high as the box. Now, the box lower point was 16,490 and the higher point is 16,590. So this movement is 100 points. So definitely I can expect 100 points from here. So 16,592 plus 100 is 16,692. So I'll draw this particular line, 16,692. Okay. Now, so I have 16,692 drawn. I have 16,780 drawn. So my ultimate target is 16,780 and my first target is 16,692. Now, so how to trade tomorrow? Tomorrow, if the market opens flat, and I'm expecting that the market will open flat, you may consider, and I repeat, you may consider taking a call with a stop loss of 16,593. This is the stop loss. Okay. If it opens flat, keep a stop loss 16,593. Take a call. The first target of 16,692 and a second target of 16,780. These are the two targets that I see going forward tomorrow. We could have seen a much bigger target today itself had the market crossed this particular candle, had it broken and closed above the level of 16,583. But it did not. It came down. So again, it went down. And finally, at the end, it broke. But by the time, there was not much time left for any further up move. Okay. This candle I ignored because this is a selling candle. This is a closing candle. So all the profits are booked in this candle. So I ignore this candle. So I'll consider that my closing has been at 16,623. So if it opens in and around this, say 16,630, 16,640, 45, even 50, or even 16,605 in this range, take a call with a stop loss of 16,590. First target 16,692, second target 16,780. Friends, tomorrow, I'm not going to take any put. I'm not going to take any put. And therefore, on the lower side, I would not be looking for any targets. If the market falls, so be it. Let it fall. I'll not be trading. This is my only setup for tomorrow. This is my only setup for tomorrow. Opens flat, little bit gap up, it opens. I'll take a call. I'll wait for 16,692. If it breaks on a 5-minute candle, I'll go to 16,780. That's all from my friends. Thank you very much. Cheers, sayonara, and again cheers.